Hi everybody, this is Chef Apra. I'd like to welcome you to my home kitchen. Today we're going to make a very healthy, very simple and easy grilled peaches with a non-fat Greek yogurt and some honey and cinnamon. It doesn't sound too complicated, right? Let's get started. So this is a great dish to make if you're already grilling dinner out on the barbecue grill outside. But if you don't have a grill, you can use one of these wonderful grill pans. And the recipe that I'm teaching today or demonstrating today is going to really reflect on the grill pan because we're going to make this kind of decadent. So to a heated grill pan, I'm adding about a tablespoon or so or less of a grapeseed oil. I'm going to also add a little bit of butter. Yes, it's the Irish kind, full fat, gorgeous. If you're a vegan, you can omit this step. However, I find a little bit of butter, well, makes everything better, right? Now, while that's starting to melt, I'm going to introduce our wonderful peach. Today, we're going to use a yellow fleshed peach. You can use white peaches, you can use plums, you can use any stone fruit you'd like. And we want to make sure it's a little bit ripe, so just give it a little squeeze and make sure it's got some give to it. However, if you have stone fruit at home that are not quite ripe enough, this is a very forgiving recipe. So I just cut along the hemisphere. I'm twisting it open, and yay, two beautiful halves of peach. If your peach is ripe enough, you might be able to just lift and twist. If not, that's okay, because this is the right recipe for it. You're going to take a very sharp paring knife and very carefully, you're going to trace along the perimeter of the stone fruit, just kind of loosen it of the pit and pick it up, twist it, toss it. That's easy, that's it. That's all the prep that's involved. Then I'm going to go put my attention back onto my grill pan, and I'm going to add just a little bit of decadence. I mean, why not? It's summer, it's a hard time. Let's have a little bit of fun. I'm adding just a pinch of some beautiful organic brown sugar, maybe a pinch and a half. What? And that is going to create like a little bit of a caramelization going on. And to that, since I love adding a little bit of savory to sweet, I'm adding just a pinch of some coarse sea salt. Kosher salt, iodized salt, whatever you have, it's no problem. So while that's starting to melt and heat up, which it is happening almost immediately, I'm going to take both of the peaches and I'm going to just place them right on top of the money, right there. All that caramel is going on. Now, if you have a grill going on, you can do this exact same recipe without the brown sugar portion. You can just brush a little bit of grapeseed oil on the tops of your peaches and plop them on a hot grill, the same effect. Okay, while those are grilling, and they'll take about 4 minutes or so on each side, I'm going to take a little bit of non-fat Greek yogurt. If you are a vegan and you don't like to use dairy, you can either omit this step or you can use perhaps a cashew yogurt, almond yogurt. You know, there's so many things that are out there now. Go crazy. Or if you do full fat, use ice cream. There's no rules, but this is the healthy version. So I'm using non-fat yogurt, some organic honey, and I'm using a little bit of cinnamon, just about a dash and a half or so, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. For those of you who might be in the know, honey and cinnamon are a natural anti-inflammatory. So this is like total health food, right? Except for the brown sugar and butter, of course. All right, and I just whisk that together. If you don't have a little cute mini whisk like this, just use a fork. It's all good. So while those are grilling away and they smell amazing, I'm going to go ahead and show you my two beautiful, gooey, delicious caramelized peaches I did a few minutes ago. And I'll show you for presentational purposes how it's going to look. I take a spoon of each of the yogurt to the little peach holes, the pit holes, and I'm going to add a pinch of maybe some fresh mint, which I have from my organic garden, and or I might want to use a little bit of basil, also from my organic garden, just as fun. Oh, it smells great. It's beautiful. If you're having a party, wouldn't you want to have this? There we go. Grilled peaches, non-fat Greek yogurt, cinnamon, and honey. I wish you could join me. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time.